Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your progress. Back up the Euro Truck Simulator 2 profile and saves. Once done, confirm the mod's version matches your game build and any required DLC because mismatches cause crashes. Next, download the mod file, usually a single SCS, from a reputable source. After download, you'll move directly to installation. Make sure the file name is clear so you can manage it later. This first step reduces risk and speeds later troubleshooting. You copy the SCS file into document/Euro Truck Simulator 2/mod, then start the game and open the mod manager. Enable the new mod and arrange load order. Higher items override lower ones, so position compatibility patches appropriately. If a mod requires dependencies or assets, install those first. To avoid corrupting your main progress, create a separate test profile and launch a quick route that verifies functionality without risking your primary save. If visuals or physics look wrong, you finalize by running a short drive and confirming the mod appears and behaves correctly. Watch for missing textures or broken AI. If the game crashes or hangs, immediately disable the most recently added mod and retest, because newest changes are usually the cause. Then check the game log or launcher messages for missing assets or version errors. Make sure mods match the current Steam or launcher build. If nothing else works, verify game cache or redownload the mod. One good reinstall often solves corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.